Well, hello, my name is Barry Tolchin, and I'm an academic advisor in the Department of Civil, Environmental, and Geodetic Engineering. Today we're going to be talking about the civil engineering core courses and core elective options that you have for the civil engineering program. So the courses that you see listed here, this list can be found on our website. That is ceg.osu.edu/curriculum and forms. So that's a pretty easy page to find on our website and has this and a lot of other scheduling information available there to you. So the courses that you see at the top, that would be Civil 2050, 2060, 2090, and so forth. Those courses that are in bold and standard type. Those courses are what we call our required core courses. Those are the courses that every single student must take before they graduate in the civil engineering program. The reason why you see both of them listed is you might notice that we have which courses are offered in the autumn and which courses are offered in the spring. So that'll help you get an idea of which courses are offered in which term. Currently, the only core course that is not offered both semesters is Civil Engineering 3080. Moving on to the core electives. These are going to be courses which will give you a little bit of experience in several of the different subfields within civil engineering. So we have a geomatics and surveying course, we have a construction management course, water resources engineering, and fundamentals of environmental engineering, transportation engineering, steel and a concrete design course, and then geotechnical engineering as well. Those courses, as you've noticed, for the most part are only offered once a year. So if you have a particular subfield of civil engineering that you're really interested in, it's very important to make sure you plan to take these courses in the right term. You'll also want to make sure that you're using the flowchart, which is again on our website, to know what requisites each of these courses have to make sure you're properly preparing yourself for these courses. Below the core electives, we have our capstone courses. Those are 2 sequence courses you take in your last 2 semesters in the major, and they are designed to give you some project experience before you graduate. We do offer them both semesters, so if you're going to be graduating in an autumn semester, you would just take the first course, 4000.01 in the spring, and then the second course, .02 in the autumn, and then if you're graduating in the spring, same thing vice versa, you just take the .01 in the autumn and then .02 in your last semester. The courses below, the ME 2010, 2020, and 2030 classes, those are incredibly important courses for our program. So those courses are offered both semesters. They're also traditionally offered over the summer. My advice would be to try to take those as soon as you can within your curriculum. There are a lot of courses that are required core or even core elective courses which have the mechanical engineering courses as requisites. I hope this helps kind of explain the core electives and required core courses that we have in the department. Just to kind of recap, the courses you see at the top in bold, those are courses that every single student has to take. So that not only includes the courses at the top, but also the capstone and mechanical engineering courses. Then the courses in italics, you choose 6 of those 8 options to complete your program. One thing of note too, between the steel and the concrete courses, you can only count one of those courses as a core elective. If you're thinking about structural engineering, we'd strongly recommend you actually take both of those classes. However, one will count as a core elective and then the other would count as an Area 1 technical elective. And you can watch that video for more information about that. But there's no problem taking both of those classes, just know that there's not a way for both of them to count as core elective courses. I hope this has been helpful. I hope this gives you a little bit better understanding of our curriculum. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or you can contact Mary Ross. We'd be happy to help answer any questions that you might have.